কষ্টের পর সুখ আসে। আমরা সবাই এই কথাটা শুনেও এসেছি এবং বিলিভও করি। There is always light after darkness, and it's a common myth we've all heard and believed so. At one point in life, for a very long time, I've also believed, like you, there is light after darkness, and happiness comes to those who've been through a traumatic situation. Stop believing the myth that happiness comes automatically to those who've been through a traumatic situation and it's a given. Escaping a traumatic situation or a relationship does not guarantee that your life in the next phase is going to be a happy one. Automatic happiness is only guaranteed in fairy tales, but in reality, it takes work. I'm going to challenge the theory. দুঃখের পর সুখ এমনি এমনিই আসে না. Trauma does not guarantee good luck. But সুখ তো আসে মানুষের জীবনে. People find happiness after escaping a toxic situation or a relationship. That's also true. In the next episode of Mind Lens, I will discuss in details why automatic happiness is not guaranteed, and in order to attract happiness in our lives, we must focus on healing ourselves. That requires extensive work on self to learn, prepare ourselves, and to process difficult emotions and negative thoughts that will make us ready to combat any difficult situations that will present after the traumatic situation proactively. Don't be captive to PTSD. PTSD সময়টা অনেক ক্রুশাল। তখনই যদি আপনি নিজেকে প্রিপেয়ার করতে পারেন তাহলে সেটা ডেফিনেটলি আপনার লাইফকে সুখ গ্যারান্টি করবে। আপনি কি ট্রমাটিক সিচুয়েশনের পর নিজের মূল্যবান সময়টি আফসোস করে আশায় কাটিয়ে দিচ্ছেন? Or are you doing the work on yourself after the trauma? Do you agree that luck follows effort and not just circumstance? আপনি কি এখনো মনে করেন গুড লাক ভাগ্যের খেলা? Let me know in the comments. Watch the full episode of Mind Lens for my complete justification.